nekikwatayo tandika okukola short ez'amaanyi because those days people used not to comment but then ekintu ekyakwatayo nga tukola short ez'amaanyi ez'akabi because people were overviewing them and then I began getting some negative comments. Nizisuka pushing ako down nepulira nga kati depression katezemu
nga tokinga oyanga olinga like you feeling oba obireke
suka mpunga mu wire suka ndeke channel girebera nga weri because there's a comment then alaba it was about chick yangambira simanya your coat it is good but your skin bichi
go on
cutting of the neck it wali yanumina dala it's on nakola content ne Mickey seems too funny kana na clip jinafuna na check out on my TikTok it's even pinned a video pinned nga kagenda on my TikTok account ya URBAN NEITHAN MC kera mu comments chick yagamba bo what percentage ukizimulumye nengamba super heartless
naye nga ye bazima wabatunuddemu alaba enjuki weziryawo ne baana mmwe bannange
negative ate kati there's also a period nge period the wedding tense okudde sukembeere nzeka then if any heartbreak nengamba boy sukembeere nzeka and I used to because when I was doing my other diploma nga mbera mrumi ya hostel awe Mengo because I was in a single room it self-contained michi kati nga envayo ngenda ku campus nesoma nekoma ninga room yange negalirayo nembera omu.
In that cautiousness yes bayinza tebakulaga nga ogomwana naye muntu andikwa nga tonamanya kino kivudde kuki oba otya nti kigenda kati waliyo n'omuntu atali informed nga tasobola kukwata mu ngalo nganze bwe nkikola wano nga yalowooza bigenda va ku ggwe
bimukwate
yes
no, they didn't sijjukira bo kubalaba nga bakola ekintu ng'ekyo.
Okay,
they have never.
So they were okay, they treated you normally.
Like,
how about your siblings? How did they
the same?
Bwacha kumwata bakubuuza Urban wabadde ki kubanga nabo bakulaba bulijjo oli okay.
And kati for them when they came back from school nga balaba ntansi okyukakyuka ntansi ofuna eki kati since I was over getting sick during that time nalanga changes ezikyuse all they were doing is to pray for me and
support you. So the importance of having good relatives and siblings at the same time. Wena nekiganda kyo naye nga ofuna ekizibu kikubuulinga wemba muyombyemu nga mufunyeemu obutakanya twala eri kirabo ofaanana nabo oti you know ebyo byabasoosa but they did those things didn't happen. Well, siblings however much you're having that naye wabawo oli oba mbayite ntya abaana we batyo nga muganda wo naye nga oba mufunye obutakanya butini alondayo kiri kyateeka ku front page ofaanana nabo oti.
They never did that.
There were no family members, let's say the extended family members who came in and say bana yomwana bayaka bamuloze bana balabika kati ate kati tumutwaleke. No, they didn't change the direction.
Most family members and they were just giving my dad options of where to go on like how to treat him.
How to treat it.
Yeah.
I know there are those who came and told him to go look. Like habo oba kati omwana oyo alabika kati bino bimubulukiddemu tugende tunyenyeko. You know that people have different
but for habo like habo medicine twalikozesako nalyo lyokunywa kwesiga biki twalikozesako eryo.
Okay. Yeah. So nga tuvuddewo awo okay there are no relatives of that kind of
maybe nga baliyo like bali
just bazadde wo tebayagala because joyina omanya omuzadde walaba ekintu nga kituuka kumanya nga neta kitegeera they will seek for knowledge from anyone naye jje kiba kikuva gyali n'agamba ngenda kukolako kino na kino. So you went through the process. Abasawo ne did they do these deep tests? Ne bagamba kati tukutwale sikaani tulabe olususu lwabadde ki screening.
I've got ideas. Kale walo my uncle in the US was giving us an option of going to India. And then there's also a hospital here called Akasha. We met a guy natugamba ngende kigenda kugenda ddwaliro tugendeyo ankole tukole surgery. Skin surgery into whereby each part ezimbye yakusalako obusazi.
First hold on. This thing omuntu waba akulaba alabako face na mikono.
Yeah.
Is it beyond where we see?
Just the outer part, okay, but other parts.
Normal.
Butono webuti.
Nchakalo mlabi wa fara bulungi butono like tebiri binene nga kano.
Akati binabiri out binene binene. Yeah.
Kati munda mu mubiri, let's say the legs, the back, teddy. Wali okay. Butono.
Yeah.
Budinga kano.
Yeah.
So, buno buntu buli hard kubanze enda bakazingi. Buli soft.
Yeah.
Kati omutasa akanyiga ne ka tewali kivamu.
I don't know what to tebakanyigangako.
Nawe kenyini totulana nka onogamba naye kye kiri munda. Curiosity has not yet killed you.
Sinabatuka wao. Wanyiza leeta obuzibu anti.
I get. Ate ng'olina obeera careful.
Yeah.
Kati omulabe wa Brown Skin Event yandiyagadde okumanya. Family yo yakikkiriza ne kutekinga in.
Yeah.
Baganda bo they were okay.
Yeah.
So omulabe wa Brown Skin Events webale kubanga o likinze o subscribe tanaba. Likinga, subscribinga, take a notification sign. Oba wakajja osobola okudayonera embozi zaffe endala ezine Mr. ne MC Urban Neithan. Naye wano wetuli Mr. Urban tuli ku his unique appearance. Akugambe ebyafu yabifunanga akula and what have you nga wetubulidde fenna njagala omulabe wa Brown Skin Events amunnyonnyolemu gwenga omuntu as you've been growing up how society perceived you. Kwa waliwo mwogenda, let's say school time, yes, family admitted it.
Yeah.
They were taking her in because for them they know that's not how you were born. Be along the way.
Yeah.
Teba take any kind of stigma, special treatment. But then how was school, like your team, your schoolmates, how did they perceive you? Society. Kwa ugambe bakutumanga kuduka. Tewagenda ko kuduka weduka nabulo kugamba sente ezo zizeeyo. Oba nabulo jazi kwateko ne tissue oba nakatambala because of the way you are appearing.
Atwachikola kecho maybe P7.
Yeah.
P7 now nga tansokula akulao. But I don't know if just that twalimbana alibategeera, let me say that. So it took me no more. Like tebadda kale benayetiro bila nabo kumpi. Nga tebadda akawo nti oba kino because it was just growing. But maybe I'm senior to awo, that's when things became worse. Nga mupya mu ssomero buli omu akutunuulidde. Waliwo abamu batagala nakusemberera.
You go and sit next to them naye mukawo.
Nga tavaawo just
omulaba nti ali ku tension.
Yeah.
Taddewo ne ka distance akatini.
Kitegeera. Maybe by the MP7 there's a time I used to go for swimming. Yeah, I used to go for swimming. Went for swimming. Ne banzija mu mazzi. Nchita. Ngamba why?
Who did that?
Twali eyo.
Was it a student, a teacher?
Gundi, bano abeera ku gundi.
Ba coach?
Ba swimming pool attendant. Yeah.
How did that make you feel?
Of course it hurt me.
Did you try to explain to them? Or you just chilled, not dead body?
Kati yalabanga you're all in water, abana mwe bali nabo nabo bagudde tiraganye kubeera mu mazzi, they are swimming, kati yayitandabi. Kati ndozo oleya omusongeramu nanzijayo.
So you think
because like swimming was part of school time, yeah.
At school.
So those that used to pay for swimming would go for swimming.
Moreover, you paid your money.
Yeah.
Someone is putting you out, and even the people who do that have not done it. Let's say your colleagues.
Yeah.
N'abasomesa.
Anzija mu mazzi netulaawo all the kati wazija mu mazzi. My friends were sad for me. I basigadde mu mazzi abamu. nga tebaali kyakola eri gundi olwodde asazeewo ekike. I just put on my sports wear ne ntulawo ne mbalinda bayi bamaliza obuga tuddeyo ku ssomero.
So that was school time, society, the society awoyo kati yeeyisa bw'atyo.
Yeah.
And I think anyone can tell lwaki aba yakola ekintu bwe kityo yalowooza akola kituufu. But of course they didn't have any information.
Yeah.
So tewafunako any other challenges anywhere?
Nga ndi muto wange nkoze.
Along the journey of this problem?
Senior 2, I have some kids that used to mock me, but later on they just also bared it and
they got to understand that this is the guy.
Yeah. Kati nga bo balaba mbu no. Nobody is near me. Abifuna.
Bali bamanyi bikwata.
Yeah. Because I had friends whereby we could even share sweaters. Nga balaba mbu no kintu nomo. Kati maybe along the journey of my career. Yeah, gundi. It was in Form 6 when I dated someone and left because of that. Her friends bamugamba naye how
soko pozinge mukaawo kubanga wano wetulaga muntu yenna ng'oyinawo nga wali obaddeko checked for any reason you can get the pain he went through by then. Omulali wa Brown Skin Events likinga subscribinga gamba munne agambe munne nti tuli wano ne MC URBAN NEITHAN ku Brown Skin Events YouTube channel yaffe mwebale kubeerako. So obadde ombuzeemuko stupid. Kyayagala abantu bano balage that however much there were people who were negative in any way, let's say treatment byakuhatinga naye tewabidu. Did you at any point watulaka oba mu kisenge ekyo oba mu nyumba yammwe n'obulyanga tokyayagala kudda bweru toyagala byakwefasa? Didn't you get any kind of depression? Didn't you feel any bad thoughts of not coming to society?
I've ever I've grown up and never to say because wali naye nkimanyidde like during school nkimanyidde nga manyidde society.
Yes.
I've learned to live with it. Nga ndi fine. Nga abantu bandabe abagala okunejjako it's okay. Ne kati nga ndaba kisuse. Nga kisuse.
Tasukka nnyo kitya? That was when?
That was
Nsosolebwa.
Yeah, Nsosolebwa.
That was which level?
That was I think after campus.
After campus?
Yeah.
O campus yote wasangayo baana?
Campus naba bali banejjako.
Bambwa.
Yes, okujjako and I started doing a YouTube channel. Started doing my content and everything.
That was when, after or when you're still in school,
when
like campus?
When I was still in school, no, after campus.
After campus.
The day they started mocking me, it was after campus.
The day they started mocking you?
Like over mocking.
Over mocking.
Yeah.
Where did you really get this energy from? Was it society, social media? Because you told me you had made a YouTube channel.
It was in school. In school, when I linga ntasoma in terms of basics.
That was campus? Yeah,
during campus. I said, oh man, need to do something. Because I had friends of mine that when I was first year, hey man, you should do something like this and this. Kati then, I remember why Kali. So I had to get people that know how to do this. So I got DJ Brown Skin, Nanyambako, Tanka YouTube channel, Tandiko kubuildinga, pola. Nechikwatayo, Tandiko kuna shows ez'amaanyi. Because those days people used not to comment. But then ekintu ekyakwatayo tukola shows ez'amaanyi ez'akabi. Because people were overviewing them and then I began getting some negative comments. Nizi sukazi pushing ako down nepulanga kati depression katezemu.
Ngatoti ng'oyanga olinga like you feeling obobireke.
Yeah, sukampunga mwa sukende deke channel gireberanga weri. Because there's a comment then alaba. It was about chick. Yangambira simanya your content is good but your skin bichi
Go and
kati ngovude ne kwetwa wale yanumira ddala itona nakola content ne Mickey seems too funny kana na clip je nafuna ne check out on my TikTok. It's even pinned a video pinned nga kagenda on my TikTok account ya URBAN NEITHAN MC. Kera mu comments chiki agamba bo wa percentage ukizimulumi nengamba super heartless.
Naye nga ye bazima wabatunuddemu alaba enjuki we ziryawo naye baana mmwe bannange
negative ate kati there's also a period nge period the wedding tense okudda esukembeera enzeka then if I had to break nengamba boy sukembeera enzeka and I used to because when I was doing my other diploma nga mbera mrumia hostel awe Mengo because I was in a single room self-contained which kati nga envayo ngenda ku campus nesoma nenkoma ninga room yange negalirayo nembeera omwo asifuluma.
That was all because of the negative vibe you had gotten.
Ngesaya kwesembereza abantu.
Twagala nakuuza ate kati biki ebyo ate the what this and that.
Moto kutunulira ennyo nato kinga nato kikiruma.
Kimalako emirembe ky'omutuufu. Omuntu n'otandika okwebuuza katono kiki like baba kutunulira oli nnomo. N'ogamba banayo nandabyeko ekikyamu.
So muna nengamba okay. But later on nengamba man this is me. Ono yenze balabe obakoye bajja ko
ayogere
jachita.
So what helped you push back? Did you view content kwa audio content abakubulira like nakuzamu amaanyi you just sat down n'omutima gwo n'ogamba naye kati omanyi tetugenda kwesibira mu room mpaka
nebulira. By the way, I had friends at hostel awali bajja kunkokono ku checkingako kati nga bajja gamba banchichi you steady nga wekwese nnyo and they take me out here. And that's why by the way I refused to apply for any TV gig like nkoleno TV nkoleno bichinga never people
bagenda kubuuza oli ajja kuba
obudde kwekyo oli ajja kugoba direct
akugamba it's because of your appearance.
Because of this, no. That's why I cannot apply for any TV. Yet I have the papers, I have everything that can make me work on TV. But then my appearance cannot allow me.
But me, I perceive it like being kinda unique. Yes, it's omuntu ayinza okiraba woba okifocusingeko nnyo mu bubi. Naye nze we mba ntunuddemu omuntu yenna oteeberezaamu omuntu nawangala n'abantu ate bibakwatanga.
Yeah.
Why do you be like, who tells that bagenda mukyawo baba mukolera ki? Anyway, the my opinion ye ayinengera bamu ebintu yiye.
And by the way, there are people like me, like who have the same skin like me, but then for them they're even worse. Very worse than me. And I've met them.
And how did you get to know about this? Is it because you started being curious to know that am I the only one in the world with this?
It's not that. Naye oli awo nogwa ku muntu ngalinga gwe. Kati there was a chick on TikTok. She's not a Ugandan. Wali munsi chi. She's like me as well. Ate ye aliwo byokusinga nze but then abira ku live ye. Na vibinga bibye.
Waliwo negwendaba era ku TikTok skin eringa gye bakubamu ebituli. You know the whole skin.
People are there matuje bali. Just that society esinga
abantu ndowooza oba effect. Nengamba abaana bano bayinza baba batutiisa bagala tutiisa baleeseeka effect.
Yeah.
Naye ngenda olaba ngenda mulagenda mu account. I was forced to go to the account. And olaba this is how she is. But she cares for her skin. Ayogera bulungi yetafuddeeyo. And I didn't go to the comment section kuba nkimanyi waliyo abayokya. I was like, if someone is still confident and they're still doing that content, meaning she's okay. Mulekerawo okuddeeyo ne mulowooza ebintu byammwe ku bantu abalala. So, the dating period, girlfriend, was it campus?
So about dating, though what is how we cool it, the wali.
Njagala obingambe kati bulungi kati.
wali nekazizza
wadde yagala kuyitawo naye tugenda kudda.
But then the first person I dated was in senior 2.
Yeah.
Senior 2. Though, okay, she was in a neighborhood. Hey, waka. Kati, in fact, she's the first girl that opening up to dating. Although first she was in a single school, and then mixed. So we spent some time together. Nga we till around like Form 6. Nga now they were Form 5 year. You understand? So later on.
And for you want to mix your friends. Did I cut or go? Yeah. You had the one at home. You had the one at sugar mama.
Kati then. Kind of cannot like move back.
Yeah.
So I got someone else together for now, like for some years, for like 3 years. Her BD is next to my BD September. So we were close to getting an anniversary.
Of how long?
We were going to 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
And this person has been here for all that time?
Yeah.
You had broken up with the other one from the single school?
Yeah.
And the sugar mama?
White House. Sugar mama is chita.
Yeah, chita buti.
Yeah,
because you muted.
Already form 2 paka Form 6. Form 6 back here. So when I ended like first year, then I got someone else.
Did you get this girl from the school or campus where you were?
Different.
Or she was different?
Yeah, somewhere else.
So all along when you're going through these depressions, she was around?
Yeah.
Was she positive? She used to give you company? Because there was a time you told me nga toyagala kwesembeleza abantu.
And that a period.
Did you isolate her too?
A period. Oh no, on a same day. A period when I'm with her because when she ended things, nice man, why things ended. Until, because her friends told me, man, thing was like this and this. Atugamba oli gundiwe, but there are some friends of hers. Abamugamba, how can you date such a guy? I find out what you no. Can you introduce a guy like that to us? Can I tell you man, some girl, Kati, how can I date again? Omutagana kuwa yomba chaliwe. Memba muuzo ivuzo.
Awanga agamba, she wants to get their opinion to take a decision.
Yeah. But ofuna omwala nomwagala and then nebakubuuza like nakuwa yomba chaliwe muno, this is my guy and everything. Kati bayi nebakubuuza, bayi nebatandika mbu can you date such a guy? Afana bwato chief tomuleta ku date zaffe kana yabeera awo nga itabitegeera ngeno salawo akana ngasazewo bakyalibe.
Anti ekyo kiva ku muntu oba nga teyasalawo nga like yes yasalawo naye muli akyalinamu kali akatima akagamba naye. So let me ask this question. Kimanya abantu bali eyo bakyebuuza. So when you were dating these girls, were there things like, what should I mention?
Things like what? Hugging.
Entanglements. Were these things part of the dating? Or I love you, mwewaddeyo kuhaga, handshake, you sit together, you hold hands, baby.
Until we are new. We used to hug.
There was nothing further than that. Because the moment someone decided to date you, there was nothing. Okay. Okay, so this girl, but ladies, by the time you decide to go as far as that, omuntu bamanyi omwagala. Omuntu kyakugambye opinion etosobola kuneetera kusalawo just because they have said. So that's why I was asking. Ngamanja kabyali byakungulu. That's why she was quick to go, to move out. So how, by the time that girl broke up with you, that lady,
yeah.
how like, which yenga ye yakuwansonga ki? Oba naye ya muting abo muting?
Yateekawo just ensonga era ayina byayagala and then saabimuwa n'akita.
Ne bagamba oba tojja mwagala musabe ssente nnyingi ng'okimanyi tajja ziku. Kati ye yasabawo bintu ebimu. And you're like, kati gwe tewakirowooza ko that she can do that.
Nah, sikirowooza nk'omutwe gwamaze naye emyaka nga manyi muno ya.
We are here.
Yeah.
That was the same period where you were kind of depressed. And you isolated yourself.
Yeah.
And your girlfriend decides to leave.
I just made it real to be in depression. I isolated myself. Nembeera mu hostel mu room yange mbeeramu nzekka. Fuluma kiro kulya. Kera kumutya ku ssomero kusoma lectures nvayo essaawa 4-5 nenzira mu room yange nembeera omwo. And the good thing that we had Wi-Fi. So mbeera ku simu yange ndaba movie, nembeera ku TikTok.
At least wayina ebintu ebirala byewali. Waliwo omuntu abeera totally depressed nga n'okusoma takyayagala. Takyayagala kwogera n'abazadde be. By the way, your parents were talking to you by then?
Yeah, they used to call me and I used to call them. They just check on me. Are you fine?
At times abantu abamu batoyagala kulaga bazadde bo kyoyitamu. Did you tell them at any point that mama oba daddy this is happening? Oba no, like toyina kyaliwo gwe wagambako kyoyitamu mutima gw'omunda?
Apart from olwolunaku, but the two people, I have a friend of mine, introducing some girl just like as a friend. Namletawo ku hostel, so we talked and talked. Nebafuluma nebagenda. The guy tells me, man, I blocked this chick. I say, why? He told me, boy, you look like you have AIDS. You? Yeah.
That lady is telling someone else.
Like a friend of mine.
The girl they came with to your home told the guy after, well, you look like you have HIV. And your friend, the gent, cancelled, blocked her. And he came and told you.
Yeah.
And this was all topping up the situation. Was that friend of yours aware of what you were going through?
And Kati, for him was fine with me. Tanina was my good friend for some years.
So and
he was open. Yeah, we are open.
The natural blockings.
Blockings.
So how did this make you feel that there are people who can still stand with you and fight with you?
It makes me strong. It makes me strong.
So this girlfriend period against notandika obivako. Was it easy?
The time where I even wanted to die. Because I'm tired of everything.
I know.
And I will come the only one like this. My close relatives as they carry like this. I want to watch
how amongst everything to do kufa mtima tewakera ku mashano gambo banja agenda mu ddwaliro mbagambe basaleko buli kimu.
Everything.
But by then your parents were still taking you to different hospitals.
Yeah.
Doing different medications. And
that was after trying everything. And that was so I think I'm being mocked. I think I'm trying to go back biting. No mutundu back biting and
I know the feeling. Okay, omulabi wa Brown Skin Events webale kubango chali naffe. Webale kubango subscribing nze, you like, you follow. Tubeeko munnange tubeere nga tumanya ebigenda maaso mu bulamu abantu ab'enjawulo. Tomanye n'emboozi waliwo omuntu omulala alina challenge endala gye tutamanyi naye wanaabira bw'osanga ajja kumanya things are happening out there. Be strong enough. Akontinuinga n'obulamu. Gamba munne agambe munne ajje ku eno site asubscribing aliking. So all that was happening, depression, how long did you spend? Wamala banga chikalingo oli awo kyegatagata naye nga wabweru tebamanyi nti you're going through all this.
That was last year. Nagenda okwetereza in September.
That was last year?
Yeah.
What? And I'm here asking you the same things.
Nagenda okwetereza okubeera mbuno. Kale, I would meet up with friends, but then not always. Sibulikanako mbuno nja kufuluma ngenda ebiki. Era abantu abali bandaba most of the times bali close. Ba brown skin bali bandaba. Bani bandaba nga bali close kunze.
Katawe ebiseera byonna nga nati Neithan waali.
Nga wali era nga sitagenda ku shows most of the times. Nga sitagenda nga zimanye ebizibu bwange.
Nga you've started isolating yourself slowly. It was really a sad moment. Katawe mazaire nebanga. What made you say that, okay, let me stand up again? Yes, bagenze mwe muli omukyala. Ogenzo onoonya ensonga ng'eyo gyawa kyokka bulijjo takyogera naawe takyogerako.
Anti mwina nagenda otutuketsa nendaba nemana how long will I be here alone nga netaddemu eno situation nti otasinga njagala bavaako biki.
Ku kyokwagala okwetta watuukawa kubanga munnange.
Esagala kwetta, just thought about it.
You thought about it.
Yeah.
Everything starts at a thought. Sanga wagezaako.
Asagezaako.
You love your life. However much you're depressed.
China ebigendera mu maaso eyo.
Naye labika teyali too severe. According to how I'm seeing things, it wasn't that severe thing.
Just thought about it naye nekikomawo. Kyokomawo mu birowoozo nekivaako.
Just kiina engeri gye ebintu gye byakunyigangamu mu mutima munda. Ogamba oba ebimu mbyesaleko.
That's the time I overtook alcohol.
Ng'onywa nnyo.
Mpuyawe kimu nkikoye.
Naye kati mu kunyonya wate walowooza nti obaka enyuza onywe nnyo kemika ezo ne zongeza the growth of this. If like ebizibu by'olina already bwe tewakirowoozangamu. Were your parents aware that you're doing all that onywa nnyo bw'otyo and the cause is this and this and this? Since you were at hostel, ng'okola ky'oyagala.
Yeah. They didn't know.
So amongst your two friends, toyina gwe watuulako lumu naye ne bagamba naye mwana. Si byangwa like this is happening oba no like they call you nagamba how nagamba I'm okay. Lina waliwo friend agoba naye nakubira nomugamba I'm okay nagamba naye nga you don't sound to be okay.
Kati those friends were at hostel as well. So they used to leave their rooms ne bajja ne bankeberako. Ne bagamba it's time for supper. Tugenda tugula supper, tugenda tugula supper. Nga ngenda mu room yawe tuchidinga then they never inenzula mu room yange.
Naye they would damn idea we birowooza ne bikomawo.
So most of them never left me to be alone.
Bafubanga nnyo okubeerawo.
Inachali wange amita Enoch. Yali roommate wange before he left after our first degree. So diploma. After graduation inagenda nesigaye because I had to do another one. So he would, for him, navai nagenda namungona to rent nga wakola. Elanga linya boda every after work. Like most of the days najja kundaba. Most of the days. Just check on me. Then nadaye wakechiro. Yeah.
Those are true people who love omuntu gwosanze obusanze Kampala mu hostel. Oba wali mwemanyi from back then.
Enoch. Enoch from Form 2.
That one was a tighty now.
Form 2.
Mali mufuse bakuchido.
Form 2, Form 2, Form 6 to renting, renting to them hostel.
Oh, you kati chizibu nyokera kumacha like era bakula
up to now is my birthday.
Big up. Hey, thanks for loving Neithan. Wale kubera wa true friend like okubere wa mazima.
Tawala mule Enoch. Tabs. Whether he was my first manager. Yeah. Ngacha hustling mu senior one.
Wow. So relationship wise, ebintu ne bigenda we bityo. Up to now, that was last year.
Yeah.
Ovuddeyo, you've started picking up your pieces.
Yeah.
How was that time? Was it you just woke up in the morning, or it also took time?
I woke up one morning, ngandaba sinabira. In fact, not one morning. Just thought about it. let me mix up with other people. So I mixed up with a guy called Doro, though naturally wa nkuvadda. So Doro nangamba, hey, come to my place, you know. And then yeah, have some good time, then I'll pull.
Okay, nango dango.
Yeah.
So when did you decide to, okay, you had already made your own brand.
Brand of
MC URBAN NEITHAN.
MC URBAN NEITHAN brand yatandika 2017.
But was it booming?
Yeah, it was booming those days. When again with depression.
Maybe no bisala. What things it affected you even in your working space?
Yeah.
Affecting. Kati ba manager bali we bisala ngate babuza chichi bakuyita for gigs togenda. Wabanga excuses nga mutima toyagala bamanye chichi ekituufu.
Tell manager yapita nengana ogenda, just that naisha kwata bookings nga just ndiawo.
Wabikoye. So mu events je wagenda mtawasanga yuko kubanga.
Events zinalengenda munga maybe DJ Brown inayo night angana mpagira. It helped me to be around more people just to get better.
To get that confidence back.
Yeah.
The courage and learning how to ignore.
Yeah.
Bola benga bakugeya akutunuulidde nnyo. So gwenga omuntu, yes, you've come back. Waddamu n'ogenda before wagendanga ku event zone or holding a event zo. Mwafani mutemwabanga muba kwanga abantu bakuwa obucupa. Tewaya wafanga mbayo mumujjeyo biti tetwagala. It only happened on social media.
Social media mainly.
Cyberbullying is really bad. You see how you can push someone's life down to that level just because they bigambo bibidi byowandi say. However much you have your data and these things torture psychologically. You should keep positive energy mubere bantu balungi eri abalala. Tokikujjaako kuwandika kintu kingi kugundiya munno other than writing something bad.
It's like attacking someone who is HIV positive. No matter kinga. Atenga no batamuyina just binomusibako. And people get to know it. Not more avoiding. Yet you have no proof.
Musale Chigambo, he should stop. He's here, he's a victim of cyberbullying, toxic talking about someone. Ate n'oluma babyogera ebyo baba bakulaba mu society yemne nga bakulengerera neri talina close joli takumanyi in person naye kubanga yayina endowooza eyiye. And things spread easily ebintu ebibi. But anyway, wano ku Brown Skin events tetukyukidde tetufaayo yogera byoyagala tujja sigalawo tetulina gye tulaga. Yes, because we are used to such people. So URBAN NEITHAN, omalirizzaawo kale eyo tuveeyo biwedde ebyo oyise mu depression series we picking the up. Here you are now.
Yeah.
You can talk about it, meaning you healed.
Yeah,
and you got used to it.
Yeah.
Till up to now, gwengo muntu. Okay, you boosted, you went back and boosted your working space. Let's say mulimu go no dam no bitereza. No day which are not taking up bookings. No kola.
Right now, sinawa kudamu kare kudamu officially.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ocha attending abyabalala.
Yeah, and I'm attending other events as I sort my brand just China be netereza.
Byotereza ng'omuntu. Omuntu yali agadde okumanya. Nti singa obudde buno n'agamba me I want this guy to come and be an MC on my birthday party, my wedding. Ayina kukola ata akutuukirira ata ayita kuki. Can you even accept in the first place?
Yeah, I can accept right now.
However much China byotereza tebina ebiganira byo.
Yeah, tebina ebiganira. So kola. I have a manager. I mean, a manager Zarin. I think they're taking numbers on screen now. But just
yeah. So MC URBAN NEITHAN.
Yeah.
gwengo omuntu dira wakera n'ogamba nti njagala kati kino kyenkola nkifuule mulimu because wangambe tewabera nnyo bintu ebyo bya events when you're still in school wafuluma then olukotandika obiyingiramu
officially.
Yeah, and it was an idea from a friend go wagambye okole bya video. What made you walk away from the video work or general emceeing?
I'll go back to Crystal Panda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crystal Panda, Morgan, MC, Top Boy. They were also a platform in my work. So, remember why. I think it's a better place to be.
Is it within you? It
is within me. I don't know if the time I was being depressed, I can no longer work like the way I was working those days.
The vibe and hype you had.
The vibe you are far. You're hyping and far. Yeah.
So you see, again, you again,
I'm changing the lane of emceeing.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't about hype man, whether corporate events, so I'm getting to the corporate world. I
like the upgrade. Because honestly, to sanga abantu corporate people nga bali ku bad mouthing amuntu.
Yeah.
Ero sanga bana bali eno wansi we basinga okwogera ebyo ate genda weesiga ebiziga ate mbalabe ate enjuki. Why baba ne bad energy oba abate bannalya. Simanyi.
Abantu bafe tubakola.
Njale balume erabika.
Banzi bafe asalawo.
Era asalawo however much you said, however much people said whatever they say.
Yeah.
Here he is, achaliwo, and he's going to work. Achakola abantu abamu bamwagala. Yeah, I like him in person. He's a very, very good person. Si wambwa. Bonga wabo mlabidde nzo gama mwana.
Bayikera guy.
Kala kakajewulira. Naye siwali mutwali okay. So abantu abali into this event business.
Yeah.
You met Crystal Panda and you were taking her into this lane, no labanga you will do it. So that's how easy you joined it.
It's not that easy.
You didn't go to class for it?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. What did you specialize in? Campus?
Campus, when I call journalism and mass communication, I don't think try in a type of specializing.
Okay, what did you major in you as a person? No gama zengenda focusing one.
TV presenting.
Yes, we know your name so me. Me zengenda focusing one.
Presenting.
Presenting.
Yeah.
That is not far away from being an MC.
Yeah.
Umuntu aba ina the audibility, aba ina ebigambo byokwogera, nga munyumya, and
that's why I started a YouTube channel before even graduation, because I saw that I can present.
Yeah. You saw your energy for anyone saw it. So what you doing okwekkiririzamu and supporting yourself. Webale kubango chalina from URBAN Skin Events. Webale kubeerako like, subscribe and follow for more information. Tuchaline MC URBAN NEITHAN. Ainayo ekivulawo maaso ekijja. Ainayo event. Tulabyeko ba MC ab'enjawulo nga bategeka. Mr. URBAN. Wasinzidde ku kyogamba nti nange kantegekeyo ekivulu.
Okusinziira okola ekivulu, idea najina kuva last year, though last year tekyabaawo because of some reasons with a place ekifo tutona giteeka. Some reasons, some things happened, so we had to push to this year. Naye kwenasinziira okola ekivulu nange, I've been in this industry for so long, and I need an event. Sorry, a show. I call a show.
You've been here for how long? Sorry.
Officially since 2018.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I do deal. Okay, to what identity? What would identity? You need to make an event.
an event to whereby I'm changing from this to this.
Officially wogenda okula. So event ina audience je targeting.
Buli omu.
Yeah,
abaana abazadde ba corporate ne baani bonna.
Egenda beerayo biki?
Event egenda beerayo nga 6 December. Tulina live band. Tugenda beerako ne live band. Tulina n'abayimbi ab'enjawulo bagenda okumperekerako. Yeah.
Challenges tizo sanze mweno industry yokwera MC. Yo teri bikono, teri yo any kind of challenge ko joyisemu nga gwomuntu ku myaka gyonna gyomaze since 2018.
Challenges zenfunye emikono gyo mingi, ebikono byo bingi. Nti nekyali wasobola okukuba ekikono, wasobola okulemesa deal.
Gwe ng'omuntu ki gwe looking up to n'ogamba, however much I spent this time here, I'm looking up to this level. Ono omuntu waali bwe ntuukawo. Oba engeri gy'akolamu ebintu bye. Ekuleetera okwagala okusigala ng'oli mu kintu kino. Yes, nga MC. Tuweeyo kale nga basatu bataano, ladies and male like gents.
Abankolera bajja kisa omutungo gwe neegomba.
Kale gwe weegomba nga gw'omuntu.
Gwe neegomba ng'omuntu.
Nga ye olaba ebintu abikutte bulungi, they're still in lane, he's professional, the target audience you want, he's already there, bintu byakola byonna ng'ogamba ya tik. Nali yagadde obanga oyo omuntu mu myaka emitono awo.
I think it should be Crystal Panda.
Crystal Panda. That's your opinion. Simple terms. Kati omuntu yali yagadde okumanya gwe woba oli mu kukola eyo olumu waba batera wa events nga waliwo ba MC nga babiri basatu. Waliwo akolera n'ogamba I want to work with this one and this one and this one.
I would love to work with Vienna Indie.
Vienna Indie.
Yeah.
Wow, she's a lady.
Yeah.
I like that. I don't know why, I just like her by the way.
Vienna
I like
Indie.
her fashion.
Yeah,
I like the way she does her things.
Vienna Indie. She's good. Makawi. Era wambuuza kuba top 5. I think muwa number 2. In fact, muwa number 1.
Ugeza number 2 ntono.
Ntono.
Omwagala ye byakola.
Yeah.
Like that. The way I love her.
She has the vibe. No matter if stage, mula danga ina vibe.
Even the way she talks, like the calmness. I alimuka that aspect.
She's good. Mulungi.
So kale omulala.
Omulala. Omulala. Number 2. Number 2 nyizo jiwa Caroline Maka. Omulala bakazi. Yvonne tachakola. Evelyn Mike.
I know hana kati gwe totandise kubeera ne kyekubira. Mwana wo. Toba batali basajja bakola bulungi mwana gwe.
Nedda bade manyo buliza bakazi.
Okay. Ladies.
Evelyn Mike mu kyokusatu. Mulala n'omulala.
Oba bawaddeyo ku gwe ng'olabamu basatu mu bakyala. Is then fine.
So kuna Adele. Adele MC. Bebo.
Basajja. Tuweeyawo nga basatu. Yeah.
Urban Neithan. Soka.
Wewa mu kisoka. I see.
Mu kyokubiri Crystal Panda. Mu kyokusatu. Kyokusatu kampe kyali wange Farhat.
Chichi kubanga kyaliwo oba akola bulungi.
Bulungi, I talented. Poza asembayo kamukuwe. Naye kyali wange. Dero.
Alright, mwebale kubeerako, mwebale kuba naffe yonna gye tuvudde. It has been me, Nambajirana Hid, your host with MC Urban Neithan. Mwebale kubeerako, like, subscribe and follow for more. Bye-bye.